We love keeping you updated with some really fun, really cool events in the area, especially when they are extra sweet. That is why today we have our friends with us from Blue Scoop. Thank you for being here.
Thanks for having us.
Of course. I know you're probably eyeing the ice cream and the banana. You probably put that together. It's because we are talking about the 3rd annual Staff Banana Split Showdown. Can you tell us what that is?
My staff has divided themselves up into 3 teams.
Okay.
Each team has their own banana split recipe.
Ooh.
And whichever split gets ordered the most that evening is the winner.
That is so exciting. Do you participate in this? Do you make some of this?
Of course.
Okay.
I'm a team captain. So.
Oh, okay. She knows her banana splits. All right, so I'm going to have you show us in a minute here your ultimate banana split.
Okay.
But I know you mentioned, too, that this event's for a good cause. Can you tell us about that first?
Yes, we are raising money for Donate Life Maryland, which is the local arm of Donate Life America. It's an organization that's very near and dear to my heart because my husband, Randy, has been waiting on a kidney transplant since 2019.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Wow.
So we just want to make it a night to raise awareness about the importance of organ donation and how you can save a life and sort of bring awareness to his particular situation.
Wow. Well, I'm sorry you're all going through that, but it's really incredible that you're making it into something fun and competitive, you know, something that will really, I think, draw a lot of people in and want to help participate and give back.
Exactly.
That's great.
And it's a really fun night. And if splits aren't your thing, not a problem. We're going to have our full menu available that night too. So scoops, sundaes, shakes, you name it.
Perfect. Something for everybody.
Yes.
And I think they're really, like I said, going to love that they can get ice cream and give back to such an amazing cause. All right, so you talk a big game with your banana split, Olivia. So I think we're going to do a little banana split making here. I've never made one. Can you walk us through how you would make the best banana split?
Okay.
All right.
So we're gonna make a traditional banana split.
Okay.
Which is a scoop of chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry ice cream.
What's your favorite, chocolate, vanilla, or strawberry? Out of those
Definitely
3.
chocolate.
Same. Chocolate girly. What about you?
Vanilla.
Vanilla? Okay. I can respect a vanilla fan. And these banana boats are so cute. Is this what the banana split will come in?
We have these, then we also have like burrito bowls. Like, they
Like
have
the ones at Chipotle.
at Chipotle, exactly, yeah.
Perfect.
Okay.
They don't have ice cream in there then.
Our ice cream is in.
Okay. Oh, this already looks so good.
Everybody does their traditional banana splits a little bit differently. So I personally like to match the colors. So I do
Oh, cute.
the chocolate syrup on chocolate ice cream.
Makes sense.
And then pineapple on vanilla.
Ooh, pineapple and vanilla. Okay, I can get
Some people do chocolate, the pineapple on the chocolate ice cream. So
I can get behind both. Both makes perfect sense to me. It's okay, get a little messy. It's all right.
Still tastes good.
Yeah, we'll eat it anyways.
And strawberry on strawberry.
That makes sense. This really makes me want to go home and make a banana split. I forgot how amazing they are. Ooh, that looks so
All right,
good.
so there's our toppings.
Okay.
And then whipped cream.
Yes.
Don't forget the banana.
I sometimes I do forget the banana.
At least you can just throw it in there.
We'll do the banana
Okay,
first.
perfect.
Gosh, so much stuff.
Oh my gosh, this looks so good.
And again, all the staff, we all do it kind of differently. I like to, and I think Liv likes to, we put the bananas on the side.
Ooh, okay.
Other people put them underneath.
Oh. See, this is interesting. I was wondering how she was going to fit it in because it's already so full, but you're just cutting the banana in half.
Yep.
Okay.
And then
There's like a science behind a banana split.
Totally.
peel the sides off and put it in. So now we have our banana.
And you were telling us something about the ice cream too. Can you tell us where something special about it?
Yes. At the Blue Scoop, we only serve Delaware Dairy Farm ice cream.
Perfect.
So almost all of our ice cream comes from Woodside Farm Creamery, which is up in Hocassin, Delaware, outside of Wilmington.
Okay.
And then Hopkins, which is right up here outside of Lewis.
Perfect. Yeah, we love Hopkins. We have them on before too.
Some sprinkles because you can't have ice cream without sprinkles.
No, you can't.
Okay.
Love rainbow sprinkles. I'm glad you don't call them Jimmy's. That's going to ruffle a few feathers. That's a debate back.
That is a total debate in the store. Yeah.
It's like the ketchup mustard debate.
My first year working, somebody asked me for chocolate jimmies and I had no idea what they meant, so I had to ask one of my coworkers.
That's so funny.
Of course, you need a spoon to eat it.
There you go.
So I can try this? Is that
Absolutely.
okay? Oh, I will not ask. Are you sure? Yes, I will go in. Thank you. And I gotta get some of the banana. Okay, I might make a mess. Sorry, guys.
Still tastes good.
Yes, it's all going to the same place. All right, this is a big bite, so don't make fun of me. But gotta get it all in there.
Yay.
The pineapple, and the banana. That is so like summery, if that makes sense. Okay, so one more time so people know where to go and how they can get involved and support this amazing cause. What do they have to do? Where do they have to go?
Sure. The event is this Sunday, July 30th from 5 to 9 p.m. The Blue Scoop is located about 5 miles inland from Fenwick Island, right off of Route 54 in the Bayside Marketplace. And the whole evening is benefiting Donate Life Maryland. And they'll have a representative there to answer more questions about what they do as an organization and organ donation in general.
Good. What an amazing, amazing, and delicious cause. My money's on you. No offense to your other coworkers, but this is truly amazing. So thank you both for being here and for hosting this such incredible event for such a good cause. Of course, and best of luck to you. I'm going to finish this off. You don't go anywhere. We have a lot more CoastLife to finish up as well. We'll be right back.